Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and network alignment. On the TV, go to Settings, then Network, and enable Screen Share or Miracast. This advertises the TV to your device. On your phone or Windows laptop, open the Casting or Project menu. On Android, use Cast in Quick Settings. On Windows, press Windows plus K. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, otherwise discovery can fail. Once the TV shows as available, keep it visible while you initiate the connection from your source device. You now initiate the actual handshake. From your phone or PC, pick the LG TV name in the cast or project list. The TV will display a pairing prompt or a PIN to confirm the link. Accept on the TV or enter the PIN on your device to authorize. For laptops, choose whether to mirror the screen or extend the desktop. Mirroring duplicates everything, while Extend treats the TV as a second monitor. Make sure power saving or sleep modes are off so the session stays active. You finish by optimizing and verifying stability. On your source device, tweak resolution and scaling to match the TV. That prevents blurry text and overscan. If you see lag or disconnections, try moving devices closer to the router or switch to 5 GHz for less interference. As a reliable fallback, connect via HDMI when wireless is unstable. If things loop or fail to pair, restart the router, TV, and source device and reattempt. This clears cached network states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.